In nature, we often see that from the very moment they are born, baby monkeys cling tightly to their mother's chests. A mother holds her infant close, keeping it safe with her warmth and constant affection. Even as she leaps from branch to branch high above the ground, she grips her baby firmly, shielding it from any possible danger. To the infant, its mother is not just protection, she is its entire world. But not every story begins this way. Today, we share the story of a tiny monkey who, from the very start of his life, never felt that warmth, never found that safe embrace. Punch-kun is a small monkey whose emotional story once touched hearts around the world. He was born at the Ichikawa City Zoo in Japan. Yet only a few days after his birth, his mother rejected him. At the most crucial moment of his life, he was left completely alone. Normally, a baby monkey depends entirely on its mother for warmth, nourishment, protection, and emotional comfort. But Punch-kun was deprived of that vital bond. As the days passed, he grew weaker, not only physically, but emotionally as well. That was when the zoo caretakers stepped in. They bottle-fed him, kept him warm, and watched over him day and night. He received all the physical care he needed. But the space meant for a mother's love is not something anyone can truly replace. To ease his loneliness, the caretakers gave him a soft plush toy. And something remarkable happened. Punch-kun began clinging tightly to it. He held it while he slept, while he rested, even while he moved around, holding it as if it were his mother. A video of him embracing the toy spread quickly across social media. People everywhere were deeply moved. Messages of love and compassion poured in from all corners of the world. In the beginning, Punch-kun struggled to interact with other monkeys. He had never learned normal social behavior from his mother. But slowly, through the patience and care of his human guardians, he began to adapt. Hopefully, today he looks around with growing curiosity, cautiously trying to connect with his group. Punch-kun's story reminds us of something profound. Animals do not simply survive. They feel, they seek love, they experience fear, they understand loss. Love and compassion are not meant for humans alone. Every living being in this world needs them. A tiny monkey, a soft toy, and the selfless kindness of a few people. Together, they created a story of hope. Today, Punch-kun is not just surviving, he is growing. Step by step, he is learning how to live, finding the courage to move towards his future. His journey may be slow, but it is filled with hope and possibility. This is the heart-touching story of Punch-kun, an inspiring journey from the darkness of loneliness into the light of love and hope.